something a little bit different for Autosparx today. We've got a Nissan Pao from the Pike factory in Japan, a little import, to put some insurance approved security on in the form of Thatcham Cat 2 immobiliser. You see there we've put a little red flashing light up on the top. It's quite simple to operate this system. It's a transponder immobiliser. So basically we'll put the key in. These vehicles don't come with any factory from any security from factory. So we'll put the key in, turn the key, you see nothing on the ignition, no crank, no go. There we go. So all we need to do is simply introduce this little fob. If this fob's on the keyring, so I'll put it next to the keyring there, you'll see the LED goes out, car starts, and then when you turn the ignition off, the system automatically immobilises after 30 seconds. Once the LED flash rate has slowed down, the car's immobilised. It needs to see the tag again before it will start. Good little solution, ideal for any vehicle. This one protecting this little Nissan Pao. Give us a call to discuss any vehicle security solutions for your car, any make or model, all insurance approved. There's the number there.